Okay folks, in this short blast video I want to show you how to use BB Screen Recorder to record your screen. To set it up you need to go to My Computer. In My Computer, if you go then to the intranet server area, in there Mark and Zeke and Jackie have kindly put an apps folder which I have talked about in a previous how-to video. In that restricted area apps folder, there's lots of goodies, and one of those goodies is BB Screen Recorder. If you go down and click on that, from there's two documents. The first document has the product key information, where when prompted you can enter the product key which Mark Farley has been able to get for us. And the second is the actual installation of the software. So if you click on that and then hit run, from there then it will set it up on your computer. Obviously just click through next in the installation wizard, all the usual, I accept the terms, and from there just install it onto your machine. This should only take maybe about a couple of minutes. So from that then just finish your installation. And in there, then maybe at this stage you might be prompted to enter a product key. I already have this installed, so I don't have to do that. But if you do, go into that original document that I showed you before, and in that little area there's a product key. It's about 16 digits long. You can enter, and then you can key in the full version. So how do we do it? We'll hit the record a new movie button. There's lots of different options you can get, but simply, obviously, you can record the sound, record the full screen, hit the big red button, and then everything you do from this point is recorded. So you can see my cursor moving about. Going to click on this document, opens up for me, and then I can record pretty much everything that I'm doing on screen. Of course, it's possible to record what you do on your whiteboard. Say for example the math department working out equations. You can record anything you write in your whiteboard and so on. When you're done, just hit the big red button to say that's installation, that's complete. Do you want to save it? Yep. Call it something sensible. Make sure you save it in an area in which you can later locate. And then just click on save. At this point then it gives you an option to export it somewhere else. I would strongly recommend that you hit export, and you can record it in a software format, or file format I should say, which is more easily distributed. So if you hit export, probably Flash is the best option you can get. As you can see, it's got the widest compatibility for most machines. If you hit on OK, everything in this dialog box should be fine. Just hit export, and in there then save it as something sensible, again in the place in which you can find it, and that will be that recording complete. Then you can just take a view of it, and when I click yes on that, and you see all of a sudden my desktop goes to my screen software. When I was recording, you can see that my cursor has got a yellow circle about it, and I can show all my screen movements on the screen at this stage. As I've said before, this could be used just to record you going through maybe software which you want the kids to be able to use in class, or it might be you working out equations, or it might be you showing how you design something on the machine using certain software, maybe in technology. And with this screen recording then saved, and pupils can access it from anywhere, from intranet server or restricted area, for the for pupil area, or also, which I'll show you in my next video, you might then be able to save it on the StudyWiz, and the kids can access it from anywhere remotely, including from home.